Hello friends and welcome to this news update from Desi Chale Canada. Friends, as per the latest news coming in, Express Entry's draw number 111 has taken place on February 20th. In the latest draw, the Canadian government has issued 3,350 invitations to apply for permanent residence. The minimum score required to secure an invite in this draw is 457. This is the first Express Entry draw in 3 weeks and the cutoff has expectedly risen by 19 points. The last draw of the Express Entry system took place on January 30th when 3,350 candidates were invited and the cutoff score dropped to 338. With this draw, the Canadian government has issued a total of 14,500 invitations so far in 2019. The government has set a target of 81,400 ITAs for 2019, which means that on an average we can expect to see a draw every 2 weeks with around 3,350 candidates being invited to apply in each draw. If this prediction holds true, then the cutoff score will surely see a steady decline in the coming few months. So if your score is anything above 430, then I would say you should remain hopeful. Now let us take a quick look at the composition of the Express Entry pool of candidates as on February 14th, 2019. You can see here that there are only 1,276 candidates in the 441 to 450 bracket, and if this situation persists, then the score can fall below the 440 mark within the next 3 or 4 draws. To read the complete story, please head to Desi Chale Canada's Facebook page where we have posted the link to this news. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to Desi Chale Canada's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and until next time, stay tuned.